Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, I know it's been a while. It's been some weeks, some months. I created a membership band thingy, so y'all should check that last video out. It was like 2 weeks ago, less than a month. Anyway, so for today, we were making banana pancakes. I wanted to do a meal prep because like not every time I have time in the morning like make breakfast before I go to work. So it's either that or we gotta rush some things. And I don't like rushing my morning process. Morning times for me to collect my thoughts, breathe, a social detox before I get into a social environment again. You understand? So yeah, let me tell you the story about these bananas. Anyway, so these bananas, I just bought them like Saturday or Sunday. I needed them because there was going to be a part of breakfast. I bought bagels, I was going to slice it up. But then the bananas got packed badly, weirdly. So, because there was stuff on top of it, it got crushed. And bananas are not strong, they're not mean.
You really thought you ate? Give me that plate.
So, I had to put them in the freezer until it's time for like doing this. Because I was going to make it as a meal prep for breakfast, like I said. So, let's watch the process. I don't know how to cook. I could cook pancakes, but I don't know how to cook. So it's going to be God, the Holy Spirit, and Jesus with us today. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is take them out the skin and then put them in here. So they're so nasty. Ugh. See why I can't be no chef? I was going for like bad. So I'm gonna do the rest of these, then I'm gonna come back to you. And stop mashing. I don't know if that water is inside there. I need to get his life together. Cause why is it so watery? And they're so soft. I mean, it's smoky sounds fine, but it's so nasty. And then the mixture, I cut it inside, just some like that, and some ain't. For the girls that understand, the girls that get it, get it. The girls that don't, just don't. I can't help you with that. I want it to be smooth. Because when I put it in, I don't want no lumps. When I put this thing in, everything in, I don't want no lumps. You know, understand? So, lumps still inside there. But you know what? It's okay. Sometimes you need lumps in your life. Lumps is healthy. So right now, we're going to put this inside here. I doing this way. No, the Holy Spirit can guide me. That's one. Hold on, wait, let me mix it first. And I have egg just in case I need to add eggs. Because you may never know. So I'm going to keep adding this. And then I'm going to get back to y'all. Okay, so I have prepped the pan. So what I did with the pan was just pour olive oil, just sprayed olive oil when it was in. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to scoop up the butter and put it in there. I recorded right, but I won't have a good angle. So what's the next best thing? Talk over the monologue.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. So right now, that's what I'm about to do. So I'll see you guys once the first pancake is fried or frying. What I've learned is now I understand why people is make them small, cause you really can't make them big. So I really understand why they make it small now, cause the big ones look terrible. I too embarrassed. I too embarrassed to show. So what I can do? I'm gonna show when it's done, cause when it's done, I feel like everybody will get me when it's done. So, but beyond the first, beyond the third, fourth, and fifth pancakes, yes, I did 30 time. I didn't. The other time I did them small. I'll roll the clip right here. Okay, it's coming out ugly. I'll admit, it's coming out very ugly. It's coming out ugly, darling. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna eat it. Probably get poisoned. But who really cares, huh? My skin is skinning. Okay, guys, I found my mistake. So I didn't know that you're supposed to put a pot, cup on top of it while it's frying. I did that, and it comes out. It came out very like decently. I'll show you the pictures, but it came out like very decent, decent. So like now I'm kind of mad because I want to do all them over again, but it wouldn't make sense with it. No, wouldn't. So unfortunately, we learned at the last minute, but life still goes on. Black Lives Matter. But let me tell you the story about these bananas. So that was so gay. Oh my goodness.
Hello. You went have to sign. I'm a woman of standard. Don't be stupid.
Who cares about me? Who cares? Holy Spirit shall guide me.